Firstly, you should make a daily routine and spend at least 30 minutes for improving English, and start your day for improving English, for speaking English, and try to some phrases, some allocations. I think this way is very good to lose your mother tongue influence. Okay, friends. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am gonna tell you how to start speaking English. Actually all the person want to learn English but they don't know how to start speaking English. So today in my video I am gonna tell you how to start speaking English, how to learn English. Actually I have 4 tips for improving English, and these tips are very important for improving English, and all the tutor recommend these tips for improving English. So today in my video I am gonna tell you these tips for improving English, and these tips are: first one listening, second one speaking, third one reading, and fourth one writing. These are very important for improving your communication skill. If you wanna improve your communication skill, you should apply these things. Okay, actually first of all I would like to tell you listening power is very good for improving English. Now it's question rise, how to listen. Actually I don't know anyone for improving English, for speaking English, so how to listen? So it's okay, don't worry, I have some tips for you how to listen. Actually there are so many content on YouTube. You can watch podcast, radio in the English. Okay, I think these thing is very good for improving English. You should apply. Okay, actually listening power is only one hardest skill for improving English. You should watch the audio multiple times. I think these things is very good, and when you are listening, so that time you should avoid the some distractions from your mind. So carefully you should watch. Okay, actually all the people say something like this: you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So I think listening power is very good. You should listen. First of all, in the beginning you should listening. And another thing, speaking is very good for improving English. Okay, actually you should take a topic for improving English, and you should discussion with other person. This way is very good for improving English, in which you can improve. So I think these ways is very good. You should apply. Okay, when you start speaking English with other person, you should communicate with different people. Actually every person have different way to learn English. So you should speaking every person. If you don't have any partner, it doesn't matter. You should have the practice with yourself. You should create any fake story and then you speak with yourself, and you should speak in front of mirror. Okay, I think this thing is very good for improving English. You should apply definitely. Okay, and another thing, reading is very important to all of us. I think it builds our knowledge, our vocabulary, and our confidence. Actually is the best way to exercise our brain. So I think reading is very good for improving English, and you should apply these things. And when you start reading, so that time your pronunciation, your vocabulary, your knowledge, everything will be increased. So reading part is very good. You should read. Okay, actually last way, writing is very good for improving English. When you are alone, so that time you can write any poem, any short story, any novel, and other kind of creative things you can write. That's how your confidence, your vocabulary will be increased. You should write the any story. Actually writing teach you to put your idea in proper text. Okay, so I think writing is very common thing. You should learn writing, and that's how your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your knowledge will be increased. So you should write. Okay, if you wanna improve your communication skill, you should apply these things, because these things are very important for improving English. And focus on your speaking. Don't focus on your grammar. Only try to speak English, and improve your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation. All the things you should improve. Okay, so that's how your communication skill will be increased. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.